Hello everyone, I am Nitish, your sales head from TechUp Technologies. Welcome to our real estate affiliate business platform where you can work and grow your business with the help of our digital affiliate system for all your properties work along with the payout system and team management. So let's begin. Firstly, you can see this is your front website. You can create your own website through us to manage all your business data along with the images and datas, locations, everything that you can see frontally on your screen. You can see the different type of pages like about section where you can put all your about data, your company data, you can put it here. The next one is gallery where you can put all your images data of the projects of the properties that you have or that you want to sell or buy. The next is the services where you can manage all your services data. The next one is the properties where you can add all your properties data along with the list of the data that you want to put on your website for the properties management. And then there is a contact page section where you can put all your contact data so that the users, the members, the clients can easily reach you through your location, through your contact number, through your mail ID or anything else. So this is the main firstly benefit for making a website for a real estate business, that you can show all your property data along with the images and content that you have in your company, in your system for your websites. So now let's go to the dashboard system. So as per you can see on screen, this is your main dashboard, main admin panel, or you can say your own control panel where you can manage all your data related to your business, related to your work, related to your website that you are working on. Firstly, we can say the dashboard where you can see all your data what you have put inside the website. You can see here along with the customers, the associate, the properties, the payment collections, everything. Now let's go to the inventory system. In the inventory management, you can add the projects, the project name where your property is, where your plot is, where your flat is. You can put the project. Simply you just have to click on the inventory, go to the projects, click on the projects. This page will open. Now you have to add your project. Simply click on add project, put the name of the project, any name. You can choose the image according to yourself, the latitude, the longitude, along with the proper address of your project, and you can save the project. If you don't want to add anything, just want to add the project name, you can only add the project name because only project name is required, not the until or unless other documents or other content. Then you can just save it here and your project will updated successfully here. If you want to edit it, just click on that pencil button, go to the pencil button, click, and you can edit your data also. In future, if you want to change the data, you can also edit it. Nextly, the phase where you can add all your phases, that total number of phases that you have, total number of plots that you have that are available on that phase or on that project. You can simply add it from here and then save along with all the filters. If you want to search the project, if you want to search the phase, you can directly search it from here also. If you want to search by name or if you want to search by list, you have all the options to search it. Next one is the properties data. Here you can list all your properties or all your data that you have in that project. For example, if you have a plot, simply click on add property. If you have a plot, click on the project where the plot is, click on property type, whether it is a flat or a residential house or a commercial space or a plot. Simply click on that. Name of the project, it's a self or tie-up. Plot type, facing, what is the phase, what about the plot number, and then simply you can fill all the accepted data, just like possession status, transaction type, your booking amount, your expected amount, your token amount, your final price, and the payout that you want to generate, and you can simply save it. Then you can see your data is available here. Whether you want to change the data, you can simply click on the pencil button to edit it, to change it. If you want to duplicate your data, if you have same data of two different areas, if you want to duplicate it with a minor change, you can simply click on this button. It will duplicate your proper data, and then as you can see on the screen, the data will get duplicated, and after that you can change it. Along with that, these are the filters that you can use to search your property by room name, property name, project name, status, city. If you want to search the property by name, you have all the filters available here. Now next is the booking request. Booking request is for the associate or your teammate. If they book any property, if they book any plot for the customer, then that data will appear here, and then you can convert it to reserved property or booked property. The other section is the reserved property. All the data coming from the booking request will come here as a reserved property data, and you can search or see the data by these filters also, by the project name, by the date range, or simply by the project name also. Now the next one is the booked property. The list of the properties that are booked, simply they will appear here. So if you want to see the data of the booked property, you can see the data here only, simply. Now the next section is about for the users and associates or customers. If you want to add the customers data, you can simply click on the customers. You can see the customer list. If you want to add customer, click on add customer option. Simply fill the details of the customer, name, number, email, etc. along with the address, and you can save it here, and the customer data will appear. Now if you want to add the associate or the team member, you can simply click on the add associate option. Fill the details like customer data, vice versa, and you can save it here. The associate data will appear here. Now the payout section. All the payout that has been made on the basis of the booking that they have done for the customers, that payout amount will appear here that you have to give them. So if you want to give payout to any of your associate or any of your employee, you just have to click on the action button, and you can see the amount that you have to pay to the member or pay to the employee. Then you simply click on the pay button, and that amount will get done. The payout will get generated simply. Now next section is the payout section. In this section you can see the list of amount or the list of payout that you have generated earlier. If you want to if you will generate the payout from here, it will appear in the success section, that these are the employees, these are the associates, these are the members that you have given the payout to. And if you want to search them, filters are simply available for you by date range and by name also. Simply next, if you want to manage your address, you can add your address here. Now here is the commission part. In this section you can see all the amount data transferred to the associates or the members or the users or the teammates, along with their proper data and proper detailed information. The amount, the level that they have, the percentage that will get distributed to them. You can see everything here in this section. The next one is the staff management section, in which you can create the staff of your business, the staff for your office, to give them the role and permission for using the system. If you don't want to give the whole system to any single person, you can simply assign the system or assign the module one by one to the member that they use. Simply, if for example, I will create a sales staff and I just want to give him the access of only sales part and not the whole admin system or not the whole control panel system. So you can easily create the staff from here and assign them the role according to the designation that they have, so that the security and the privacy of your system and business is always up to the mark. The next section is the website setting, where you can easily change the sliders or banners or images of your website according to yourself, along with the level percent. In this section you will create your level according to the associates or the teammates that you will create or the team that they will build under them, that at what level, what percent of amount you want to distribute them on the sale of any property or any project. You can simply create the level from here, simply create the percentage and simply create the amount that you will distribute them, along with the reward also. You can also create the reward from here. The setup that you will do here, only that setup will apply to them when they sell any type of property, whether it is a plot, whether it is a flat or anything like that. The amount will get distributed only on the basis of the level percent that you have made here. So as you can see everyone, you can easily maintain and manage all your business data here, along with the inventory, booking, reserved, payout, transaction, amount transfer, role permission, everything in your own control and admin system. Now let us move to the user. So now as you can see on your screen, this is the user dashboard or the user panel or the associate panel, where associate can log in and see all their profile and data related to the working and update on the projects and plots that they will sell or get sold. As you can see on the dashboard, they can see their total earnings, their total payout, their pending payouts, their level, what is the percent of them on their level. Along with, they can change their password also, they can change their profile images, they can change all their data from here. They can simply change their profile data by clicking on the profile. They can update their KYC system for their payout. They can simply add the customers from here so that they can book any property for them. If they want to book any property, they have to add the customer firstly from here, and then they can book them any property. Here is the tree where they can see all their teammate data. The team data will simply appear here. In the property section, they can see all the properties that they have, the property that they are get reserved, the property that they will book for the customer. All the data will appear here in the associate section, they can see their teammate, their team member, along with them they are working. This is the wallet transaction system where they will get a token amount as a recharge in their wallet transaction system, so that they can book any type of property for the customer when they don't have any type of amount or any type of cash with themselves. They can easily do the booking with the wallet transaction system from here. And in the payout section, they will see all their payouts along with the referral link, so that they can easily make teams under them, make associates under them, make a good profile and make systems under them. So as you have seen everyone, our system is very useful and beneficial for your real estate business. So come and take a profitable part with us for your own real estate business. For more information, our contact details are given in the description. Thank you.